This is a 394,000 square kilometer land. It is the most complex and colorful province in China. It is a high-coast snow peak that never responds. It's also a tropical rainforest that breathes life, with a big river running straight down. It is also a tranquil and graceful plateau lake. It is the home to 26 nationalities of the 56 Chinese nation members. Its diversity beyond your imagination.
Here are steaming natural hot springs. Here are luxuriant primeval forests. Here are snow-capped mountains, reaching straight into the sky. Here are beautiful plateau lakes. Standing here, you can overlook the prosperity of the city. Here is a paradise, and more than 300 wild elephants breed and live. They romp and play here every day. There is an elephant, look! More than 1,000 animals have fallen in love with the beautiful nature of Yunnan, just like us. This is home to more than 5,000 species of vertical plants that have chosen this magical land for thousands of years. About 17,000 species of plants have taken root and shed their leaves in Yunnan's rich and colorful nature. The mountain, Snow Mountain. About 365 days in a year, you can see the snow on these mountains. It's so beautiful, but at this time, it's not very prominent, but I think in winter it's so prominent. I climbed Valley, Blue Moon Valley. Blue Moon Valley is about the valley's water is about totally blue, and all waters come from the mountains. Different mountains through different mountains it comes and through to the valley. So that's why that valley called Blue Moon Valley. So just we are going to visit that place. Let's go then. I'm so comfortable. This is Yunnan, that means hot spring. It is kind of spring water that naturally rugged from the ground. It also contains mineral spring water with trace element that is beneficial to human health. Here are dozens of destinations fascinated me. I will take another day to experience the purity and romance of the original ecology. With my eyes, remain the eternity and magic of Yunnan. In Yunnan, there is always a corner and a way
to find a destination for your soul.